Hi, friends. Today we're going to do math. We're going to do a math lesson, and this math lesson is going to be called How Big Around? So, we are going to measure some items. We're going to start first with measuring Miss Giles's, you've guessed it. First, we're going to start by measuring Miss Giles's head, okay? So, I have some items to help me. I have a shoelace or shoestring, and I also have my measuring tape. I also have my measuring tape, okay? So I'm going to start by measuring how round my head is, okay? Or how big my head is. Hey, you call me big head. So I'm going to put it in front. Well, I'm going to have to do it like this. Go around my head, and I'm going to measure how big my head is. So my head is, so I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to go around, and my head is, look. This how long my head, what I bend is. So Miss Giles have a big old head. So I already wrote it out. So this is Miss Giles's head. Okay, so I'm gonna put that right there because that's where my head, that's how big my head is. So my head goes from here, this head, it starts right here, and I went all the way here. So this is the size of my head all the way around in the circumference, the circle, okay? So now I have some more items that I wanna measure as well. So I have a candle. Okay, I have a candle holder. I have a apothecary jar, and and I have my water gallon-sized water jar. Okay, so we're gonna do a comparison. Okay, friends. So I'm gonna order. So I already measured my head, and my head is it stopped right here. So that's how long Miss Giles' head is. So we're gonna see what number that measures up to. Okay, we're gonna see how big Miss Giles' head is. So I'm gonna use my measuring tape, and I'm gonna put it on my tape at the bottom, and I'm gonna go all the way down, and I'm gonna see what number it stops at. Oops, can you see that? So Miss Giles' head is 24 inches around. It's 24 inches big, okay? So my head is 24 inches big. Now you can pick an item. What item would you like to pick to make a comparison? Okay, would you like to use the candle? Oops. The candle holder? The apothecary jar? Or my gallon-sized water jar? Okay, which one? Okay, I agree. Just use the apothecary jar. Do you think Miss Giles' head is bigger or smaller than this apothecary jar? Okay, let's see. I want you to help me. We're going to have to measure around. I think we're just going to use a measuring tape, friends, for time's sake, okay? So I am going to take the measuring, I'm going to use this to help me out. I'm going to use this piece of tape, and I'm going to tape the tape right there, okay? Oops, it doesn't want to work for me, friends. Things happen when you're working alone. Okay, so this is the tape. I'm going to put it right there. Stay. Thank you, tape. And I'm going to go, oops, let's go in the center of the jar. So I'm going to go around the center, and I'm going to, oops. This is what happens when you're at home alone. And no one's here to help you, friends. A tea. So this is my jar, and I'm going to try to go around, which is my attempt. I'm going to attempt, which means I'm going to try to go around in a circle. Miss Giles didn't think this through very well, did she? So I'm going to go all the way around. Well, I'm going to have to pause it for a second, friends. So I'm going to do it from this way, okay? That might help a little better. Whew. So I'm going to go all the way around. So I'm going to start, and I hope you can see my numbers. I'm going to put that right there. And I'm going to start right here in the front of the jar. I'm going to go right here. And I'm going to go all the way across the center of the jar, or the midpoint, or the biggest area of the jar, okay? And I'm going to, oh, it doesn't want to stay. It's being very, very difficult. Oh, so I got to stop right there, friends. So I'm going to stop right here. And that number is a 2 and a 9. Does anyone know what 2 and 9 is? Yes, it's 29. So let's measure the apothecary jar and see how long it is. Is it longer, or is it shorter than Miss Giles's head? What do you think? Shorter or longer? Small or bigger? Let's see. Okay, So I want you to come along with me, okay? So let's move it around. Okay, so here is I'm going to start. It's at 29. So I'm going to start right here at number 1. And we're going to follow it all the way up. And we have to stop at number 29, a 2 and a 9. So there's Miss Giles' head. Oh, I want to go all the way to 29. Okay, friends. This is Miss Giles' head. The circumference of my head is 24 inches, and the apothecary jaw is 29 inches. So is my head bigger or smaller than the apothecary jaw? What'd you say? Good job. Miss Giles' head is smaller than the apothecary jaw. How do you know that, friends? You know that because Miss Giles' head, what? Stopped. And the apothecary jaw kept doing what? Yes, the apothecary jaw kept on going. Good job, friends. Okay, so one more thing. What do you want to try now? We have the water jar, we have the candle holder, and we have the candle. What 2 items would you like to measure next? Okay, the candle jar? Okay, we can order measure the candle jar. Let's see. Okay, so this is the candle jar. I'm going to start again. I'm going to put it around the candle's neck, or body of the candle, I'll say. Okay, so this is, we'll just say 17 for time's sake. This is 17 inches long, okay? So now we're going to go back, and we're going to see what 17 inches look like. So we're going to start at the bottom where it says, or we're actually going to go the other way around. We're going to start, oops, sorry, friends. So we're going to start here at number 1, and we're going to go at all the way to number 17. When I tell you one thing, this is an activity that Miss Giles needs help. I wish you were here to help me. Who want to come and help me next time? Raise your hand. Who's going to come and help me? So the candle holders, I'm going to go from number 1 all the way to, who remembers the number? Number what? Yes, number 17. And number 17 is a 1 and a 7. So I'm going to go right here to 17. Okay? So we did the candle jar holder, which is the candle jar holder, okay? I can't put my head right here, friends, but that's Miss Giles' head. I should have put a picture of me. And this is, let me see if I can find a picture of me, friends, so that we can have a picture of Miss Giles so y'all can know that it's Miss Giles' head so we don't get mixed up, okay? You know what? I actually found the picture of me right here. There's a picture of Miss Giles. So I'm going to put my picture right here. So this is Miss Giles' head. And this is the candle holder. That's Miss Giles' head right here at 24. And this is the apothecary glass at 29, or jar. So we're going to do one more item, friends, okay? Now tell me, what item would you like to do? Would you like to do, we're going to do a comparison. Do you think the candle holder, do you think the candle holder, do you want to do the water jar, the water container, or water jug, or do you want to do the regular candle? And we're going to measure to see which one's going to be bigger. Will the water jar be bigger than the candle holder, this water jar right here, or would the candle holder be bigger or smaller than this candle? Which one you want to try? Yeah, I agree. Let's try the water jug. Let's see. Okay. So here's the water jug. What I need to get, friends, what is this called again? My handy dandy measuring tape. So we're going to measure it again, okay? So I'm going to have to lean it up so we can have it. So this is Miss Giles' measuring tape, and here's my water jar. Let's put it over here so we can see. I'm going to put it right there. Oops. And we're going to go around, and we're going to see if it's going to be bigger or smaller than the candle holder. And there it is. It's at, you see that number? 1 and a 9, number 19. So we're going to see if it's bigger or smaller or the same size, friends. Remember, the candle holder was 17 inches. The water jar is 19 inches. Is 19 bigger or smaller than 17? Okay, now here I am. I'm moving over. And I'm going to do my measurement again, and I'm going to stop when I get to the number 19, because that's how big the circumference, the circle of my water bottle is. So here it goes right here, jug of water, my water jug. So I'm going to start at what number? Good job, number 1. And I'm going to go all the way up until I get to, remember what number that was? Good job, friends, number 19. Number 19 is right here, 1 and a 9. Number 19, and there's number 17 right there. So 17 was here, and that's how big this candle holder is. But the water jug, this is the candle holder, and the water jug is here. So is the water jug bigger or smaller than the candle holder? The candle holder stops here at 17, and the water jug does what? Yes, the water jug keeps on going. So the water jug is bigger or smaller than the candle holder, friends? If you said that the water jug is bigger, you are correct, friends. So let's go back and recap, okay? We have, what is this called again? Vocabulary is a candle holder. And this is a water jug. This is Miss Giles's what? Miss Giles's head. And this is my apothecary jar. So which one is the biggest? Is it the candle holder, the jug of water, Miss Giles's head, or my apothecary jar? You let me know in the comments. Leave a comment for your teacher and let her know if the apothecary jar is the biggest. Is the water jug the biggest? Miss Giles's head's the biggest? Or the candle holder is the biggest? I have an idea which one is the biggest. But I want you to help me. Tell me which one is the biggest. Okay, friends? Can't wait to hear your comment. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.